Hey everyone, so this video is basically going to be a montage of me getting my car ready for a new motor. As you see in the background, this is what it looks like currently right now. But when this video starts into the montage, it won't look like this. Or at least I don't think it will. I don't know. I've recorded like 4 hours of video over the past few days of me just doing stuff, and nothing is like cataloged in like a how-to video. It's just me going through and doing everything for my car. So hope you guys enjoy this montage. I'm gonna have a few videos out next few days about unboxings, how-tos, a lot of montages, some holy crap moments, all that stuff. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Oh. Welcome to the biggest. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, there's going to be many more videos coming out over the next few days. They're going to kind of be getting thrown out there. Hopefully I'll have about 3 more videos out in the next week after this is uploaded. I just have so much going on with this vehicle right now that it's difficult for me to make like step-by-step lengthy videos like I usually do. Most of my videos usually take me about between 1 to 6 hours just for one video because I'm so in-depth and try to make sure I show everything. But when it comes to this right now, it's just I have so much stuff to do in so little time. So yeah, but I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share if you can. And stay tuned, guys. Have a good day.